Hello everyone. The first and foremost thing which an individual needs to have before filing a visa, be it a student visa, work visa or tourist visa with IRCC, is GCK account. So in this video we'll be discussing about the steps involved in creating a GCK account with IRCC. So first and foremost, just type in GCK sign up in Google, and the first link which you get, just click on the link and then scroll down till you find don't have an account registered. Well, if you already have a GCK account, you can very well go ahead and click on sign in with GCK, but since we are creating an account for the first time, so we'll need to click on register, scroll down and then register with GCK. So in this page we'll need to click on sign up and then have a look at all the terms and conditions and then click on I accept. So the next step is we'll need to pick up a username. For example, let's assume I enter my username as Bhaskar Chowdhury, which is actually not my name, and then click on continue. If this name is available, the system will take us to the next step, but since this particular username is not available, I'll need to pick up a different username. For example, let me just add on one towards the end, Bhaskar Chowdhury 1, and let's check out if this username is available. Yes, this particular username is available. So the next step is creating a password. So here are a few essentials which we'll need to look at before creating a password. So the password should be between 8 to 16 characters. It should not contain 3 consecutive characters from username. They should be valid characters, should have a lowercase letter, should have uppercase letter, should have digits, and both passwords should match. So let me enter the password now. In this case, since I was able to meet all the requirements, so everything turns green. And once everything turns green, just note down your password and then continue. So this particular step which we are doing right now is very important, as these questions the answers which we fill into the questions here will be used to authenticate our login from the next time when we log in. So be very sure to remember these questions and answers. So let me select which make of car did I first drive. Let me just select Maruti 800. My memorable person, let me enter Bhaskar. My memorable person hint, let me just enter name. My memorable date, let me just enter 2021 December 12th. My memorable date hint, let me just say that it's my birthday, and then click on continue. Yes, my account is now successfully completed. Now I'll need to click on continue, wherein I'll need to enter my first name, second name, and then my Gmail ID. So in this step again, you'll need to review the entire terms and conditions and then click on accept. So moving on, I'll need to enter my username. Let me just enter Bhaskar, and my last name is Chowdhury, and my email address is Bhaskar Chowdhury123@gmail.com. Preferred language of notification is English for me. Well, again I'll need to enter few security questions. Let me just enter what is the name of your best friend. I would just select Sudhir. I'll just type in. Second question, what is your favorite color? Let me just enter green. So you'll just need to type in questions and the related answers. Which town were you born? Let me just enter Bangalore. Which laptop do you own? Let me just enter an Apple. So these questions are very important, so ensure that you remember answers to these questions. Now once we click on continue, and that's it, we are in. Our account is now successfully completed. So with this account interface, we'll be able to apply for either student visa or work visa or tourist visa, any kind of visa which we apply from outside Canada. So this is the interface which we use. So in the next section of the video, I'll be talking about applying student visa under SDS category from India. So please do watch out. Thank you.